Wifey is absolutely soaked right here, and not in a good way, but we didn't start here. We're going to have to go back and take a look and see how we got to this point. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. And just another day at the marina. This is more how we start. Here we can see our crew is coming in, trying to land on the dock. Our guy's gonna pull some bow rail acrobatics. Definitely don't recommend this one. The Nutcracker in full effect. And our guy, what are you thinking, bro? Get off. So here we go. And now we've got the tug of war as our girl on the dock is trying to pull. The other guy's trying to push, and they just cannot figure it out. And Captain leaves the helm. He's going to get him a stern line, and hopefully that'll be enough to get these guys pulled around. And we should be good to go from here. Now, of course, here's where things get interesting. Of course, we're watching Nutcracker's boat because we think that's where the action's going to be. I mean, the rear tires are in the water. That's never a good sign here at Black Point. And we think, well, they're probably going to struggle. They struggle getting it on the dock. They're going to have a tough time getting it off. And then we missed this. Right here, our guy was coming in on the dock. And Wifey goes for a swim. He just hit the reverse. We saw her standing up there, but we just couldn't get over there fast enough. We weren't 100% sure, but he was coming in fast on the dock. She went to go for the step on. Hubby reversed it, and our girl is completely drenched. And I'm floored on this one. I swear to you, I'd be like Jesus walking on water, getting out of this water so fast. But she's kind of just lollygagging, taking her time, probably not understanding some of the other things that are in the water with her. But here comes some bros over to try and give her the assist. And she looks like she's gonna take the assist for the moment, and then the light bulb goes off like, yeah, this is probably more difficult than me just swimming up to the ramp, which is what she should have been doing the entire time. More than likely, what really kicked in there was probably the embarrassment. In other words, at first she thought, yeah, I'll take the hand. And then she looked up and said, oh my God, I'm in the water. Somebody help me and let me get the hell out of here. So here she goes. She's gonna go ahead and swim her way right back up to the ramp. But as we saw in the earlier images, that walk of shame is absolutely priceless when she gets out of here. I mean, and the crazy part is, when I say walk of shame, she's walking to go get the truck. She actually brings the truck back down, and she's the one soaking wet who has to back it up and deal with her husband after everything that happened. Now, I gotta know, though, in the comments, light it up, bro. What would you do if this was you? How would your wife handle this situation? I'm often curious how mine would as well. She's pretty fun-loving, lighthearted, but she's definitely got a little bit of that New York in her, and I kind of think I'd probably get my head chewed off for at least the first day or two. After that, we'd be able to laugh about it. Maybe not if we caught it on YouTube, though. And our typical Black Point scene, here comes the party crew. The people we sit here and wait for all day down at Black Point, that crew that's went out there, hit the sandbar up, and had just a little bit too much fun. Because that's what makes this show so great, is watching these guys come back in and try and perform, I don't want to call them complex tasks, but they're going to make it look complex whether it is or not. Let's see how our crew does as they go ahead and start their first approach of what I'm sure is going to be several as they approach the dock. I mean, our crew's definitely having the most fun of anybody down here so far, but I don't know how that's going to generate into getting this boat on the dock, because these guys are more into what looks like the party's going to be going on. And I got a feeling they're going to struggle. So It looks like we've already missed one attempt, but I'm not 100% sure here because it was such a half-hearted attempt that it was difficult to keep up with. But here we go. We're going to come around, try and make another approach on this. Coming in a little hot. Let's see what Cap's got going on. So we're going to take the slow roll approach. Is he going to be able to nail it? I don't even know which dock he's going for at this point. He's looking to the left, so I'm assuming he's trying to go to that side. I mean, he's getting it in there. Maybe this will be good to go. We're only 2 minutes into this attempt of him trying to dock, though. And coming in hot. Gonna have to brake check it, bro. And our crew, it looks like after a little bit of time, they're gonna land it. And another one of our favorite pastimes down here at Black Point, the old Black Point Wobble. Wifey does not look impressed on the dock. She's trying to give husband some instruction. He's not really taking it. And she just does not look impressed at all. Gonna come in, let's see. We're gonna have to reline this one back up and try and go for another attempt. And this attempt's not going well either. Wifey's giving him the stop signal. She just brushes him off, like, pull back out, do it again. So coming back one more time. Wifey giving hand signals again. Let's see if they can get it. He's still all over the place. Once again, the Black Point Wobble in full effect as they try and bring this one back down. He's committed, though. He's not stopping this time. He's just going to wobble it the whole way down. Hey, but it looks like it's going to work. He's almost got it set up. And Wifey's giving him the signal go, so they must be good to go on this one. And speaking of good to go, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.